Good morning, Jason Sen from Day Trade Ideas. It's 26th of November. We're looking at the euro versus the US dollar on the daily chart. You can see this goes back to the summer around July here, where we had a very nice little up channel, which was broken at the beginning of November, and we looked at this yesterday. We're just crawling along beneath this trend line at the moment. Yesterday we failed again at the trend line at 135.60. We've got some Fibonacci resistance as well at sort of 135.65, 75 area. So that all coincides quite nicely today if we get as far as that. I think that's probably a decent selling opportunity with some stops maybe above the 136.25 area. So risk of 50 pips, which is probably a worthwhile trade. We're going to just have a look at the shorter term chart though, because there is a reason why we may not even get as far as 135.65. We've got a little bit of intersection here from some very short term trend lines, and we've got some divergence on the stochastics, and I'm feeling quite negative about this really. If we get as far as this area here I'm looking at now is sort of the 135, 50, 55 area. So as I say, we may not even get to 65, 75. But it's really only on a push through 136.00 that I would start feeling a little bit more confident about the upside, and even then we run into Fibonacci resistance at 136.25. So there's all sorts going on here, and I think we're really going to struggle on the top side. I fancy more likely we head lower, maybe failing around the 135.5 area, 135.75 as I've said, and heading lower. Back to the daily chart, we could easily see this back around 135.00. Yesterday's low was 134.90, so just keep an eye on that level. Obviously a break below there is going to be a further negative for this pair, and just see how that we're quite overbought on the daily stochastic as well. So all in all, I think quite a negative picture, and I really can't feel positive about this until we get through 136.25. We'll have another look at the euro tomorrow. Thanks very much. I'm Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com.